at experiment 2. Last class we looked at experiment 1, identification of what? Glasswares and their uses. Today we are looking at experiment 2. The title of the experiment is leaf microscopy. Leaf microscopy. Now the leaf we are to view, or the leaf we are using, is scent leaf. Are you following?
Yes.
Now that is the title, leaf microscopy. Now the aim is to what? To determine the leaf microscopy. To determine the leaf microscopy. We are looking at the stomata, the waters of the leaf vein, and the cells of what? Of the leaf, as well as what? The petiole. On the board we have apparatus and materials. The apparatus, we have microscope, we have microscopic slide, which is the slide. We have heptanol, we have the scent leaf we are using, which is a sample we are to view. And we have blotting paper. The next thing is the procedure. The next thing is what?
The procedure.
Now, the procedure tells you about the method you should use in carrying out the practical, so that you can be able to observe and arrive at a particular conclusion. Now, the procedure is given in present tense, just like as I've written on the board. It is not left for you as when you're reporting. You have to put everything what in past tense, because you're going to give a report. That is using your report notes. In your report notes, all the procedure given here will be in past tense. Are you following? Yes. Now if you look at it, we say cut a scent leaf, wash and air dry using the blotting paper. Use heptanol to sterilize the microscopic slide. Clean the objective lenses using a sterile cotton wool. Clean the eyepiece. Then place a leaf of scent leaf on the microscope, on the stage of the microscope. Use the clip to hold the slide and leave firm. View using objective lenses the leaf. Record your what? Your observation. This is just the procedure you want to carry out. This is what? The procedure, the method you want to use to what? Observe. Are you following? Yes. Then the next thing is your experimental setup. Now since we are making use of the microscope, we are going to view. We are going to take a diagram of what? Of the microscope. The diagram of the microscope together with the microscopic slide and the leaf on top is the experimental setup. Are you with me? Yes. You are going to give me a detailed diagram of the microscope. Are you following? Yes. That becomes your experimental setup. Then the next thing you should do is what? Your observation. When you are viewing using the microscope, whatever thing you view, whatever thing you see becomes your observation. You're going to record your observation. Are you following? Yes. Now the next one is precaution. Precaution is the safety measures or the caution method what you take to arrive at your answer or at a given observation. Then the last thing is what? Is your conclusion. Now I've told you before, you conclude in respect to what? To the aim. Your conclusion of every practical should be in respect to what? To the aim. Or every experiment should be in respect to what? To the aim. Are you with me? Are you following? So that's what we are going to what? To do now. Are you following?